So this is how you receive, if you order from Insta360.com, a generic brown cardboard box. Use your audio cable. Now the question is, will it also transfer data with this USB-C? Because if it does not transfer data, just charges the camera, then it's going to be a problem opening up this case each time. By the way, if you order directly from Insta360.com, be mindful, even if the website gives you impression that it's a US-based website, even though it's going to show you prices in US dollars, your item is coming from China. I have ordered a bundle of Rode Wireless Go 2 mic and the camera itself, and they gave me free selfie stick, which is wow. The people say it's huge, so big. Not big, same 6-inch, but it is heavier than my previous setup with Insta360 1R. Wow, it's tiny, man. It is so tiny. It looks huge in the photos. Well, this is the Insta360 1RS 1-inch 360 edition. Hello and welcome to Yasash TV. Today we're gonna unbox and give our first impression on Insta360 1RS 1-inch sensor 360 lens model. I don't know, it's a really long name. So stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you my liking of this camera on the first initial expression and concerns of this camera. I'm also gonna be telling you guys how I got treated by Insta360.com, because this camera has been ordered from Insta360.com. So this is how you receive, if you order from Insta360.com, a generic brown cardboard box. By the way, if you order directly from Insta360.com, be mindful, even if the website gives you impression that it's a US-based website, even though it's going to show you prices in US dollars, your item is coming from China. So it will take a long time. It might take for some so long that even your excitement goes away for a new toy. It took me 15 days to get here, even though I ordered it from main website. I have ordered a bundle of Rode Wireless Go 2 mic and the camera itself, and they gave me free selfie stick, which is, they say, is $75. So yeah, looks nice. The box is nice and sealed. There's a little bit of a tear of plastic, but not much. There's no big damage from the corners. Nice box. It says 1-inch 360 edition. So yeah, looks nice so far. No damage to box. You can even like say, even though it came across the sea from Asia, quite safe. This box is open. I don't know, so this is supposed to be the part of the kit that gonna hold the Rode Wireless Go 2 mic. You will not get this with this camera if you only order this camera. This is ordered separately. That is the adapter for selfie stick. If your selfie stick does not have this and this kind of thing. So that is metal construction. And there are 2 screws. You can separate them, I guess, to make it shorter. But why would I do that? Because this is perfectly made for this particular model. There is a Allen key, and there is a little cable. I don't know how good of a quality sound this cable is going to produce. I would try to use my Rode Wireless Go 2 wire, because that cable is more quality looking. This by touch gives you good feeling that it might be good quality, but we'll see. So yeah, and this is also a part of that kit, a mic adapter. We're gonna go to the best part at the end, so I can steal some minutes out of your life on my channel. I'm only joking. Yeah, I just want to see how big this adapter is, because in the photos on the website this adapter looks huge, and I just want to see how big this is in real life. Wow, it's not opening up easy, not giving up easy. Yeah, I had to tear down the entire box. Damn, what is so secret? There you go. Wow, it's tiny, man. It is so tiny. It looks huge in the photos on the website. This adapter is $44. This is a $44 kit, and if you buy adapter only, it's $26 on Amazon or Insta website. So you can charge it with this, and also at the same time use your audio cable. Now the question is, will it also transfer data with this USB-C? Because if it does not transfer data, just charges the camera, then it's going to be a problem opening up this case each time. We will find out in the next video. I hope it's not going to be the case. So that's a $75 selfie stick. I think Dollar Tree selfie stick gonna do same job. By the way, I've been using Insta360 products since last 4 years. I used Insta360 1R for long time. Same stick, normal, usual stuff. Now we're gonna come back to the main thing. The groom in the wedding. What? Oh, this is the main part. This is the groom or a bride of this wedding, and you want to make sure you don't cut yourself while opening this baby up. You gotta make sure that. Wow. The people say it's huge. It's so big. Let's see. It's not big. Same 6-inch, but it is heavier than my previous setup with Insta360 1R. The size almost same, because I used to use Rode Wireless Go mic with my Insta360 1R. Well, it is a little bit heavy, but size wise it's same story. So let's remove these makeup things. Charge the battery before when disconnected from the core. Well, there are some warnings, some SOPs you can follow. Wow, looks nice, looks brilliant. Wow, I don't know why they put plastic film on those sides. What does these do? They look like heat sinks. Well, this is the Insta360 1R 1-inch 1RS 1-inch 360 edition. Really long name. Ooh, sexy. Let's move this side as well. Come on. Ooh, nice. It is beefy. It's heavy, a little bit heavier than the 1R setup, even with Rode Wireless Go 2 mic. So I don't know how heavy it's gonna get with this metal and Rode Wireless Go. So we're gonna put it here like this, so we can see what else is hidden inside, which I always struggle to open. Some silica to keep it dry. What is this? Oh, it's the cover, the door. If you want to put the door and use it as with the just RS model style side door. That's the cable, and that is the lens protector. Lens protector is really important because in this camera these two glass things are money. It's all about these two glass. Do you want to have it like this? That is money. Okay, what else in the box? Some glass cleaning, lens cleaning cloth, microfiber, some instruction manuals, and that's it. In this box, look at this. Let's see. There's nothing else. That's it. So in this box, you just get 1, 2, 3. 3 items. Fourth is the door, which you won't need it if you're going to use this camera like this, because this has its own door. And silicone. So stay tuned for next video. Next video will be about how this performs at night time and the quality test and the whole setup with Rode Wireless Go mic. So consider to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye.